In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Facebook ads in videos. Facebook is an amazing platform to stay connected with friends and family, discover new content, and yes, watch a plethora of videos ranging from cute cat videos to the most recent news updates. However, as much as we enjoy consuming this content, the sudden appearance of ads in the middle of a video can sometimes disrupt our viewing pleasure. If you've been wondering if there's a way to minimize or stop these ads from interrupting your video experience on Facebook, you're in luck because today we're diving into a simple yet effective method to do just that. First up, you'll need to navigate to Facebook Business Manager. This is the hub for managing ad accounts, pages, and the people who work on them all in one place. If you're not already logged in, the next step is crucial. Click on Login with Facebook to proceed. This step is pretty straightforward, just choose the account you wish to log in with and you're good to go. After logging in, it's time to find the ad that interrupted your video experience. You can go directly to your video by visiting www.facebook.com/watch. This page is essentially your go-to destination for all things video on Facebook, showcasing a wide variety of content streaming live or on demand. Once you've found the ad in question, you'll notice 3 dots on the upper right corner of the ad. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu that presents several options. Among these options, you're looking for Hide Ad. Clicking this tells Facebook that you don't want to see this specific ad anymore. It's a useful feature for tailoring your Facebook experience to suit your preferences. Next, Facebook will ask you why you want to hide the ad. This step is quite important because it helps Facebook understand your preferences and in turn improve the relevance of content and advertisements you see in the future. You'll be given several reasons to choose from, such as it's not relevant to me, I keep seeing this, or even it's offensive. Choose the one that best fits your reason for hiding the ad. Finally, after selecting your reason, click on Done. Congratulations, you've successfully indicated your preference to Facebook, and with that, you've taken a step towards customizing your video watching experience on the platform. You might be wondering, will this stop all ads from appearing in videos? Truthfully, completely stopping ads from appearing in Facebook videos is challenging because ads are a major part of Facebook's revenue model, helping keep the platform free for its billions of users. However, by using the Hide Ad feature, you inform Facebook's algorithms about your ad preferences, which can lead to a more enjoyable viewing experience with ads that are possibly less intrusive or more aligned with your interests. Here are a couple of additional tips to enhance your Facebook video experience. Consistently hiding ads that aren't relevant or that interrupt your viewing may improve the overall quality of ads you see. Also, exploring the settings in your Facebook account can lead to discovering more ways to control the kinds of advertisements shown to you. To sum up, while we might not be able to completely stop ads from appearing in our Facebook videos, we do have tools at our disposal to make them more bearable. The process we've walked through today is simple, yet it's a step towards making your Facebook experience a little more tailored to your interests and preferences. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to maneuvering through the world of Facebook ads in videos. We hope this tutorial helps enhance your video watching experience on Facebook, making it more enjoyable and tailored just for you. Remember, your feedback is crucial, not just for us here, but also for platforms like Facebook, as it helps them improve and make the digital space a better place for everyone. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.